So what's up guys, in today's video we're gonna be talking about one of the best web frameworks in 2020, which is the Django and a Laravel. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what is a framework? Framework helps you to keep the hassle of developing the low-level infrastructure and get right to the business logic of your application. So this results in a neater and more professional application. So there are two types of frameworks, which is the front end and a back end. So front end caters a client-side development problems such as mainly focused on CSS or JavaScript. While on the other hand, back end is responsible for the server-side logic implementation. So it deals with data, store with data, or how to manage the responses and so on. So first of all, we're gonna be discussing the Laravel. So Laravel is a MVC or a model view controller framework built with PHP. So this is one of the most famous languages of the web. So as what I've said earlier, so it's also a powerful web framework used by 9GAG, Union, Toyota Hall of Fame. So on the other hand, Django is a MVT, which is a model view template. Comparing to the Laravel, Laravel is a model view controller, while Django is a model view template framework built with Python. So Laravel is PHP, while Django is Python. So Django is a free and open source framework that encourages rapid development and helps developers write efficient, cleaner code. So it's quite a powerful framework and it's used of the greatest enterprises in the world, such as Pinterest, Udemy, NASA, and Instagram. So when we're going to talk with the codes, so Django is good for a Python user, while on the other hand, Laravel is good for a PHP user. So both are goods in terms of the codes. It is how for you to use, and it is how for you to decide which field are you comfortable with. It is a PHP or a Python. So if you're comfortable with a Python, you should go to the Django. So if you're comfortable with the Laravel, you should go to if you're comfortable with a PHP, you should go for the Laravel. So when we're going to talk with the community, both Django and Laravel communities are very active and very responsive for your problems. So both good communities. So when you're talking about the learning curve, so I would suggest that if you're a Python user, you should go for the Django. While on the other hand, if you're a PHP user, you should go for the Laravel. So when we are talking about the performance of Django and Laravel, so I'm not going to talk that Django is faster, Laravel is faster. Both are good frameworks. It is how for you to code and make the application faster. So when we're going to talk about their security, so the world of web is quite a hostile environment. So with attacks and vulnerabilities being exploited all the time. This is why frameworks need to take measures against different attacks. So whether SQL injections or cross-site scripting. So when we talk about security, Django takes security quite seriously and helps developer avoid the common mistakes of web. So while on the other hand, Laravel does also cover the basics of security. So it doesn't live up with the Django security level. So both are good, but when it comes to security level, Django is very good. So that is why, for example, NASA uses Django for their website. So on the other hand, when we're talking about API, so Laravel takes it to another level because it is a built-in feature. While on the other hand, Django doesn't come with this built-in feature. So, and you have to use a library to work around it and implement the same feature. So for example, the Django RESTful framework. So to wrap up things, Django is a model view template built with Python. On the other hand, Laravel is a model view controller built with PHP. On the security, I'm talking about it earlier, Django takes it to another level, while Laravel implements a basic security feature. So for the GitHub stars, this is a 2018 record. So Django won for about 10,000. So Django has GitHub stars for about 43,384, while on the other hand, Laravel have only 34,294 in 2018. So for the learning curve, they're both good actually. If you are a Python, if you're a Python, you should go to the Django. So on the other hand, if you're a PHP user, you should go to the Laravel. So when it comes to e-performance, so I don't need to say that Django is quite faster than Laravel. Both are good, but eventually it depends on the programmer on how they program the system. So number of websites that uses Django is about 200,000 plus, while on the other hand, Laravel websites that use Laravel is for about 100,000 plus. So when it comes to a front-end support, so Django works around with a purely JavaScript, while on the other hand, Laravel supports with Vue.js out of the box. So for the conclusion of this video, it is up for you to decide which web frameworks that you are going to use. Is it Django or Laravel? So comment down below your picks. So before this video ends, I would like to thank my sponsor, MICAS Authentic Items. So original Victoria's Secret products and classic items are available. You can contact them through Facebook and SHOPEE. So go order now. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. So thank you guys and God bless you all. See you!